show how static electricity works. Electrostatic is the branch of science that studies the electric charge of objects and their effects, such as attractions or repulsions. Repulsions occur when two objects have the same charge, whether it's negative or positive. However, attractions happen between objects with different charges.
Hi teacher, playmates. My name is Manuel Rodriguez and I going to show you some experiments about static electricity. The first experiment is called can go. For this experiment, the materials are a PVC tube, a can, and glue. In this experiment, we are going to rub the PVC tube and we are going to approach it to the can and we will see how the can is attracted by the tube. This happens because when rubbing the tube, it acquires an electric charge, and when approaching it to neutral element, such as the can, it will be electrified and its electric charge will be reordinated. The electrons we go to the one end, and the protons, playmates, and continuing with experiments. The second experiment is called stick around. For this experiment, we will use a wooden stick, a PVC tube, a glass heart, thread, adhesive tape, and cloth. We will rub the PVC tube with the cloth and we will approach it to the glass. We will see how the wooden stick is attracted by the PVC tube. Again. As the first experiment, here we can also appreciate the electrification by induction. That without to need to touch the wooden stick, the electricity charged PVC tube is able to move it. Finally, the last experiment is called the floating plate. We will only need two styrofoam plates and cloth. What we are going to do is rub one of the plates with the cloth, and then we will place that same plate on top of the other plate, and we will be able to feel the resistance that it's generated. This resistance makes the plate slide out. This happens because the rubbed plate is electrified, and when it touches the other plate, it also acquires a charge of the same zinc. So this makes them repel each other. This method of electrification is called contact.
Experiment is called a bubble throttle. The materials we will use are PVC pipe, straw, cloth, and bubble solution. The procedure is the next. First, we apply bubble solution on the glass. Second, we create a bubble on the glass with the help of the straw. Third, share the PVC tube will study electricity with the towel. When the tube is charged by rubbing, the electrons manage to pass from one body to the other, in this case, from the towel to the tube, because the positive shares of the atomic nucleus only leave it in the event of atomic disintegration. Fourth, careful brings the tube close to the soap bubble. When the initially electric tube approaches the bubble, which is a neutral body, it becomes polarized by the glass that allows the movement of electrons. Here we have another example in which the passage of charge toward the two bubbles is sent. This experiment is called dancing balls. The materials we will use are foil, carton board, foil erasers, styrofoam balls, polycarbonate sheet, and dish towel. The procedure. We will rub the balls and the paper box in a minute. Next, we place a rubber band in each corner. On the columns, we will support the polycarbonate sheet. The first thing we will do is put the balls in the box. Next, we will rub the sheet with the cloth. Then you will see how the balls move. In conclusion, we are creating a rubbing electrification by rubbing the sheet with the cloth. When rubbing the cloth is good enough, it gives electrons to the left, which shares its negative. The electrons of the aluminum of the balls are repelled by tools of the sheet, causing the protons to stay on top. Our finger is positively charged as it has been in contact with.
Hello, teacher and guys. My name is Ruben Olaya. I am a student at Universidad in the fourth semester. Today I'm going to talk about my physical experiment. This area is the magnetic field. We need these materials. Come on. Cloth, balloons, PVC tube, and I go to the experiment. First, take the cloth and PVC tube and wrap for 20 seconds. And after, put it inside in the balloons. One more. Out. And you can see the movie the balance is what with the magnetic camp. Thank you. Hello guys, continue the magnetic field. This is my second experiment. We need glass, water, PVC tube, and cloth. We pierce the glass of the bottom and bottom. Yes, can you see? Yes. And then we fill the glass with the water. Can you guys notice? It out. And finally, wrap the two with the cloth and near to water. Come on. One more. Round the two to 20 seconds. And near to where? Thank you. Hello.
Hello everyone, I am Maria Jose Perez. I am going to perform the electroscope experiment.
To begin with the materials I will use are glass container, tweezers, wire, aluminum foil, a screw, a PVC tube and a towel. We start by opening a small hole in the heel of the glass container to pass the straw with the wire. Then we make a spiral of the top of the wire and at the beam we bend it to form a hook. Then we place two aluminum papers and close the container.
Finally, we take the PVC tube and rub to strain it with the towel. We pass the PVC tube very close over the wire spiral outside the glass container and observe the experience.
Then we throw the pompon on the PVC tube and observe the experience.
The simplest demonstration is to share the wire called B by touching it with a shared body. Now I have a PVC pipe which I am going to rub with a towel. The PVC is electrostatic charge, and when I touch the wire coil, part of the share spikes to it. In turn, part of the share pass of the aluminum foil or paper inside the glass container, which I have in shares for the same thing, separated by the electrostatic repulse. My PVC pipe and plastic bag. The materials I will use for the following experiment are plastic bag, scissors, a blanket, a towel, and PVC pipe. We start by making cuts in the plastic bag and to have something strip of it. After this, we tie all the strips of bags in the middle of them to get a kind of pompon of this material. Then we rub the pompon with a towel and we rub the PVC tube with the blanket. By electrostatic friction, the PVC tube and the pompon bag are electric charges. If bomb case with up negative charges, the PVC gain electron from the blanket and the pompon gain electron from the towel. For this reason, when they get together, they will repel each other, as the law of chains says. Shares of different things attract each other, and shares of equal things repel each other.